Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the fuel filter on Peugeot Expert 1.6 HDI. The fuel filter is located on the side of the engine, just underneath these air pipes, just there, this plastic housing, that's the air filter. In order to get access to the fuel filter, first we need to remove the cabin filter housing and those air hoses that are on top of the fuel filter. First we're going to remove this cabin filter housing. Next we're going to remove the air pipes that are on top of the fuel filter. And now we have access to the fuel filter. There is two fuel lines going into the fuel filter that we need to disconnect, one electrical connector, and then we're gonna take out the fuel filter. Now we're going to disconnect the first fuel line. In order to disconnect it, we need to push in the two clips on both sides of the connector of the fuel line and just pull it out. Here it is, the fuel line is out. The two white clips on the two sides need to be pushed in order to disconnect the fuel line. Next, to disconnect the electrical connector. Before removing the other fuel line, we're gonna be removing the fuel filter from its place. This is the clip that we need to push in and just pull out the fuel filter. And that's the fuel filter out of its place. Now we need to remove the other fuel line and the fuel filter is out. Next we're going to remove this part of the fuel filter that we need to put on the new filter, and then we're gonna install the new filter back on the car. Before putting it on the new filter, we need to change the O-rings and then we can put it on the new filter. Okay, now we can put the new fuel filter back on the car. We need to push in the two fuel lines, push in the connector and put the fuel filter back in its place until it clicks, and that's it, we're done with changing the fuel filter. Now before starting the car we need to bleed the fuel system. There is a mechanical fuel pump that we need to press for about a minute and a half until it becomes very hard and you can't press it anymore. This is the fuel pump right there. It's located just in front of the air filter on the back of the engine. We'll continue pressing the fuel pump until we can see that there is fuel flowing through it without any air, and when we press it we'll see that it comes back very slowly. That means that the fuel system is properly bled, and now we can start the car. Yep, the car is started, so we're done. Thank you for watching.